Wypowiedź pierwsza.
The best present I've ever got? An album full of autographs and pictures of footballers, musicians and actors. It was the beginning of my collection. Since then, I've been able to get autographs from more than 500 famous people. But the ball signed by the whole English team is the most precious thing in my collection.
Wypowiedź druga.
There's one present I'll never forget. My friend knew that I loved cooking, so the day after my party, he invited me to a cookery class with a well-known chef. He's a TV celebrity and an expert on Italian cuisine. Now I know how to make many different Italian dishes. My friend says I should start collecting recipes and become a chef myself.
Wypowiedź trzecia.
I got a smartphone for my 13th birthday. I was so happy. I could use it to chat with friends, surf the internet, and generally have fun. Unfortunately, the next morning, while I was walking to school, I wasn't careful and I dropped my new phone. The screen smashed to pieces.
Wypowiedź czwarta.
One day, by accident, I heard my sister talking on the phone. The conversation was about a party she was secretly organizing for me. I found out everything about the cake, the guests, and even the title of a book I was going to get. Although I already knew all the details of the party, it turned out to be the best one I'd ever had.